It's my wake and bake breakfast strata. And who doesn't love a good wake and bake moment, right? Put in your fridge overnight, and when you wake up, and everybody's rolling out of bed hungry.
Okay.
Oh, they're rolling out of bed hungry?
Rolling out of bed hungry, it's time to bake it up.
All right now.
We got some super aged, the most aged cheddar you can, because I want to taste that sharpness.
Okay.
And some whole milk mozzarella right there. Great, both of those. We're going to mix it with this, starting with the base of our strata, which is pretzel rolls.
That's crazy.
Just so much more flavor. Even the smell of it smells like a pretzel, right? That
does.
caramely note right
That's a
there. That's just
pretzel.
gonna stand out. I hate when like people put bread in one of these things and it just turns to mush. And the only texture is like the top exposed crusty bits. So make this even into cubes, just like that. Kaylin is the quickest shredder. Man, if this was Jeffrey as my sous chef, we'd still be here. We're like, hello, it's afternoon. So all these beautiful diced pieces of pretzel roll. And these were the buns that come in usually the 4-pack hamburger buns, but you can get the long ones.
So did you only use 2?
I only use, no, this is 4.
4. Oh, okay.
That's a good foundation right there.
Do I see deli meat?
Well, this is some ham, all right? So some of the flavors I love pairing, not only cheese with pretzel bun, especially cheddar, but jalapeno and ham is just like, goes together so
love
much.
that.
It's like a ballpark meets, you know, a deli sandwich meets just a wonderful breakfast. And 9 eggs, and we're gonna start cracking these into here, okay?
Yeah, the mozzarella's a little tougher to shred.
Yeah, it is. I mean,
Yeah.
It is. That's why we put it in the, we actually put that mozzarella in the fridge. You can actually put it in the freezer too for about 10 minutes before you shred it. It'll make it
that
much
would help.
easier.
That would have helped.
Or you can cube it if you want to do it with a knife. Why don't you grab that guy? My hands are a little leggy.
Okay, there we go. Great.
Beautiful.
That's gonna help me out. How much cheese is this?
This is all the cheese we've had
All
in New
the
Jersey.
cheese.
All the
okay.
cheese.
All the cheese in New Jersey.
Okay.
Okay, so we're whisking these till totally smooth.
Jeff, one of the things I really like about a
Salt.
recipe like this is that the time it takes to bake, that's the coffee time.
Yeah.
You get to really enjoy your cup of coffee,
You're right.
have it on its own,
Yeah.
talk, catch up,
Put a load
and
in
then
the
all
washing
of a
machine.
sudden, here comes the main event.
Yep.
There's literally no mess. Once you do all the prep and put it in the casserole dish here, put it in the fridge overnight, you wake up, you literally
It's
pop it
great
right
if
in the
you
oven.
have house guests,
that.
too.
All right, that's looking good. Thank you so much, Kaylin. In goes the pickled jalapeno.
All right,
right.
throw it up in there.
Put it in there.
Emphasis
cube-
on pickled.
Because it's just so much more flavor.
That's
than
a lot of
regular
jalapeno
pepper.
in there.
There's a lot, and
You're
you
not
guys,
playing.
you're gonna taste it. Some of that honey ham, and then 3 cups.
Well, you're putting it in with
Of
milk
milk.
and
Oh, yeah.
bread, which are the 2 things that can get rid of that heat on your palate. So it's
And
gonna,
cheese.
Yep, it's gonna really slow it down.
Speaking of cheese, let's give my man here, Kaylin, sous chef.
Oh, you don't need them all?
Look it. No, you put it all in here. Go ahead. I
like
know
cheese.
you're gonna.
You're gonna make
There
me
you
eat
go.
this.
Man,
Put it
I'm
in there.
excited for this. This is gonna
And
be
now we're just
good.
gonna.
Take a bath in that.
This will feed a crowd too. This is a tremendous
This is a
amount of
hearty
volume
breakfast.
here. All right, we already seasoned this with many pinches of salt.
Many pinches.
Mini.
And now
Oh, that's
we're gonna
crazy.
put this. Look at all that
Wow.
beautiful cheese.
Look at that.
Look at. I mean,
Wow.
is this
This is a
nuts?
lot.
You're not mixing it.
Yeah.
You're just pressing it. You don't,
Dude,
you
we're
don't
just-
care. You want the bread at the bottom.
Well, listen, the bread's gonna do its thing in the fridge overnight. I mean, it's a literally
It's gonna soak
a
in.
edible
Normally You would
sponge.
toss it, but you don't. That's
So, and
I-
you do
I
want
like it,
those.
like, puffs up.
You want a little more, you want that topography of the exposed edges of the bread and the ham and the cheese and the pepper, just to give you a little texture, caramelization. We're gonna wrap it overnight in the fridge, again, so we can roll out of bed and wake and bake properly, get the day started on a good note, right? That's what we're doing.
Say it again, Jeff.
You help me out, man. I'm buckling, bro. I'm
Come on.
buckling.
Come on.
I'm buckling.
There you go.
All right,
We're
I
just
got
waiting
one.
on Jeff to come out of his shell.
Yeah.
I think it got heavier overnight in the fridge. Did you put anything in there when
You
you
know
were
how
doing your
that's
roll?
soaking.
Soaking all right. Look at that.
Density.
Just like it was, but you could see all those little, shards of bread. You can bring this to room temperature, but you can literally throw it right from the fridge into the oven.
Okay.
350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Let's take a gander, Kaylin,
Let's
shall
take a
we?
look.
Let's
at
take a
it.
gander.
You see
Bring
that?
that thing on over here.
Oh my, it smells like breakfast. Like
Bring
balls
it
of
on
breakfast
over.
in one.
Wow, look at that.
It's pretty.
One of my favorite omelets is a ham cheddar,
Yeah,
the
I
big old
agree.
jalapeno.
Yeah.
Western omelet.
Yeah, same.
Right,
Same.
and I'd rather have the pickled jalapeno, and that smell reminds me of being at the diner and get one of those fluffy omelets.
Would you serve like a hot sauce with this on the side, Jeff, like a traditional?
Oh, yeah.
All
do you think?
right.
No?
You better make it jazzy. I say yes.
I can
Yeah.
have a dollop of sour cream on here too.
Or that?
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh, look at that corner piece.
Wow.
Yeah, baby.
Perfection.
There's a mac and cheese vibe going on there.
It is.
Look at that corner. Look at that corner,
That
guy.
looks so good.
Look at that corner.
I mean,
Yeah, no garnish. I mean, this is breakfast. We're trying to keep the fuss out of here.
Oh, the
so.
pickle, the
Well, I
smell
like
of
that
the
you can do it the
jalapeno.
night
Jalapeno
before, so it really
in
is
there.
a brunch in bed moment.
Right.
Just wake up and put it in the oven straight from the fridge.
All right, K-Bone, you ready? Can I call you K-Bone?
Yeah, call me that. All right now.
Jeff,
Silly.
this is the perfect. If I had to close my eyes and I didn't know who made this, I would say it was you because it's like the sandwich king of breakfast casseroles.
I'll take it.
It is like a perfectly balanced sandwich, but in breakfast casserole form.
That's what I do.
The heat, the creaminess, I mean, it's perfection.